In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your QuickBooks company file available to your users. To get started, open QuickBooks and go to the top left corner of the screen. There, click on File. This is where you'll find the option that allows you to change how your company file is being accessed. If your goal is to let multiple people work in the file, this is the place to begin. From the File menu, select Switch to Multi-User Mode. This setting allows more than one authorized user to access the same company file, which is especially helpful if your team needs to work in QuickBooks at the same time. Once you click this option, give QuickBooks a moment to process the change. Depending on your system and network setup, it may take a few seconds to load, so just wait until everything finishes updating before moving on. After that, QuickBooks may prompt you to create new users so they can access the company file. This is an important part of the setup because each person who needs access should have their own user profile rather than sharing a single login. Individual users make it easier to manage permissions and keep your file more secure. Go ahead and continue with the setup process by signing into your Intuit account and creating the new users as prompted. As you do this, make sure you assign access only to the people who actually need it. It's a good idea to review user roles carefully so each person gets the right level of permission for their job. That helps protect sensitive financial information and reduces the chance of accidental changes. Once the users are created, there's one more thing to verify. Make sure your company file is saved to a local server that your users can access. This is essential because even if multi-user mode is turned on and the users are set up correctly, they still won't be able to open the file unless it's stored in a location available to everyone who needs it. If the file is saved only on one computer with no shared access, other users may run into connection issues. So before you finish, confirm that the company file is stored in the correct shared location and that your users have permission to reach it through your network. Once that's done, your QuickBooks company file should be available for your users to access. That's all.